Good morning, dear students. You all know we already read the poem Why. In this poem, poet tells about a curious little boy who is always asking many questions and why this happened, why we eat food, why sun shine, etc. etc. He is very curious. Look at the picture. Here you can see boy. Now talk about question answer. We already discussed about reading is fun, and today we are going to discuss about let's talk. Let's start. Ram is a curious little boy. He is always asking questions. One day he came home and asked his grandfather question like, in this question, a boy whose name is Ram, a very curious little boy, he is always asking questions to his grandfather. Let's see the question. Why can't we look at the sun during a solar eclipse? This was the question asked by Ram to his grandfather. Now look at the answer. Question is why can't we look at the sun during solar eclipse? And the answer is we can't look at the sun during solar eclipse because it hides itself behind the moon. On the day of solar eclipse, the sun hides itself behind the moon. Means the moon comes between the earth and the sun. That's why we can't look at the sun. Again, it means the moon comes between the earth and the sun. That's why we can't look at the sun. Next question, which is asked by Ram to his grandfather. Why can't we touch the sun? Answer, sun is far away from us. Therefore, we can't touch the sun. Okay? Because sun is far away from us. Next question. Can't we go out to play in the dark? Question is why can't we go out to play in the dark? Why we don't go to play in the dark or in the night? Okay, tell me one thing. Do you go to football or badminton or any other sports at night? No. Because we can't see anything in the dark. That's why we don't go to play in the night. Answer is our eyes can't see anything in the dark. Hence you can't play in the dark. Means at night. These three questions are asked by Ram to his grandfather. Now talk about next question. Next question is from word building. The spelling of these words are jumble. These words means these words, okay? Put them right and make sentence of your own. Here you can see WOKN. You have to frame a word out of it by resembling the letter. And here they give us example KNOW, no. And now you have to make your sentence. It may be I know the answer. Okay. WAOKN and the word KNOW and the sentence is I know the answer. Next, WISM. You have to resemble it. SWIM. Swim. Now you can frame a sentence. I can swim in the river. Okay. WISM and the word SWIM, swim, and the sentence is which we frame I can swim in the river. Next is DAEL. Now you have to resemble it. LEAD, lead. And the sentence is lead is a heavy metal. Okay, lead is a heavy metal. Next is BLARME. You have to frame a word by resembling the word, by resembling the letter, sorry. And the word is marble. Okay, and the word is marble. Now you have to frame a sentence. Sentence is our house has marble flooring. Okay. Next is LLIHS. Word is hills. And the sentence is the sun sets behind the hills. And the sentence is the sun sets behind the hills. Okay, listen. You can write other sentences in place of these sentences by making them yourself. Okay. I hope you all are understood it. Thank you.